Hello learners, it's me, Cambly tutor Yuri. Today we'll be going over tag questions. Tag questions are short questions added at the end of a sentence to seek confirmation or to invite a response from the listener. And they are a great way to express possibilities or to check information. Are you ready? Well, let's dive in. All right, again, what are tag questions? Tag questions are formed by adding a short question at the end of a statement. The structure of a tag question usually consists of a statement in the positive form, followed by a tag in the negative form, or vice versa. Let's use an example to help you better understand. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? You see, I followed the positive statement, it's a beautiful day, with a tag question in the negative form. Isn't it? Let's try another one. You like ice cream, don't you? So once again, tag questions are formed by adding a short question at the end of a statement. Let's practice using some more examples of tag questions. You are going to the party tonight, aren't you? In this example, the statement, you are going to the party tonight, and the tag question, aren't you, is added at the end to seek confirmation or invite a response. She doesn't like coffee, does she? In this example, the statement is, she doesn't like coffee. And the tag question, does she, is added to seek confirmation, to check the information. They finished their homework, haven't they? In this example, the statement is, they finished their homework. And the tag question, haven't they, is added to seek confirmation or to make sure. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? In this example, the statement is, it's a beautiful day. And the tag question, isn't it, is added to invite a response or agreement from the listener. He won't be late, will he? In this example, the statement is, he won't be late. And the tag question, will he, is added to check with another and to make sure. Tag questions are a useful way to engage in conversation, to confirm information, or to express possibilities. So practice using tag questions in different contexts to become more comfortable with their usage. And there we have it. Tag questions. I hope this is clearer now, what tag questions are and how to use them. Because tag questions are a great tool to express possibilities, to seek confirmation, or to invite a response. So once again, practice using tag questions to enhance your English conversation skills. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly, native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. So schedule your next lesson with me or any of our amazing tutors using the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.